To remotely start your 2011-2015 Lincoln MKX using the key fob, first ensure all doors are locked and the vehicle is in park. Quickly press the lock button 3 times. Then, immediately hold the remote start button, the circular arrow icon, for about 2 seconds. The engine should start and run for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing you to warm or cool the cabin. The car's lights will flash twice to confirm a successful start. This feature relies on Ford's passive anti-theft system, PATS, verifying the key fob's signal. When remote start fails on your 2011-2015 Lincoln MKX, the hazard lights may flash rapidly to indicate a problem. Common causes include a low battery in the key fob, a faulty hood switch, or doors and trunk not being fully closed. For successful remote start, always ensure the vehicle is in park, with all doors securely locked and the hood and trunk properly closed. To avoid battery drain issues, replace the key fob's CR232 battery annually as part of regular maintenance. If issues continue, a third-party OBD2 scanner can help diagnose the problem by reading vehicle codes. Alternatively, consult a qualified mechanic for professional repair. While physical key fobs remain secure, consider aftermarket smartphone integrations like Viper Smart Start for enhanced convenience. These systems typically cost between $200 and $500 and offer additional features through mobile apps.